Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make Añejo Highball. Añejo Highball was created by one of the pillars of the modern mixology, Dale DeGroff, in the late 1990s while he was working for the Rainbow Roon in New York. It's a really easy to make drink, so let's not waste more time and start with it. We're gonna take our shaker, and into the shaker we're gonna put 45 ml or ounce and a half of Añejo Rum. So any rum that is 6 to 9 years should work. You can use Flor de Caña 7 or any rum that is just called Añejo. So 45 ml or ounce and a half. I'm going with Barcelo today. Next thing we need is half an ounce or 15 ml of orange Curaçao. I'm using Gifar. Okay. 1 ounce of Angostura Bitters. And the recipe calls for 7.5 ml or 1/4 of an ounce of lime juice. That should be approximately 1/4 of an ounce. Then we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna give it a good shake. Okay, so we're going to take our highball glass. We're going to fill it with ice. Okay. Let's try like this first. And we're going to double strain. Not double strain, sorry, we're just going to strain it. I don't think it's neat to double strain. Okay, and we're gonna top it up with 60 ml or 2 ounces of ginger beer. I forgot my opener, so there we go. Mix. I'm gonna add some more ice to fill better the glass. Okay, we're gonna drop a straw and we're gonna decorate with a lime wedge, and that is how we make the Añejo Highball. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Since maybe you know, maybe you don't, since I don't like too much ginger beer, I think it has too much of a kick. For me, that's definitely the dominant flavor. But maybe you can switch for a ginger ale if you want slightly more mild type of ginger flavor. But yes, surprisingly for someone that doesn't really like ginger beer, I think this is really good drink. Once again, first I take or first I notice the ginger notes, but after that you have the sweetness of the orange Curaçao and the rum. You definitely have the orange notes from the Curaçao, and I think it's the perfect amount of lime juice to balance everything. I mean, who the hell I am to criticize what Dale DeGroff has invented, and it's already defined as a modern classic. But in my modest personal opinion, it's definitely a great drink that is at least worth a try. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.